Hey Baldwinsville, how do you make your home stand out during showings? Well, I'll give you 3 quick tips. Did you know, first tip, it's not about the updates, it's about the feeling. Now, it can go into the updates, but did you know that a home that is in clean, clutter-free, light, bright condition and well-maintained and clean, that will certainly impact more than a super updated home that is super cluttered. Clean, not too much furniture, and remove the personal items. But it's true. Remove the distractions. So remove the family photos, because we all want to know who lives here. So when a buyer comes in, they're like, oh, I wonder if I know them. Can't tell you how many times I've seen that. So remove the family photos, remove too many pieces of furniture, anything personal. Let the focus be on the house. Third, don't forget the outside. Remember, buyers got to walk to the house to get to your front door to get into it. I know it sounds corny, but I promise you, these 3 things do make a difference. I know you've heard that the market is on fire, and I'm here to tell you that, yeah, it is. It really is. There's a lot going on. And I thought I would share the experience I had. So I have a purchaser that is looking in the Camillus and Baldwinsville area, and even North Syracuse. And they found this house. It was a ranch in Camillus. So right there, you know, there are a lot of people looking at this property. Yes. Even Minnie's like, oh my gosh, you gonna tell this story again, Ma? But yes, a lot of people looking at this. And everyone's like, oh, you gotta have your house updated. This house wasn't updated. Well, it kind of was. It was a house that was built in the 60s, but the kitchen was not original. The kitchen was probably redone in 2000, 2010 maybe. And it had the wood cabinets and you know the 4x4 tiles, the cream beige 4x4 tiles, but and Corian counters. Where's the last time you had somebody go, oh, I really want Corian counters? I don't remember the last time when Corian counters were popular, which was a long time ago. I'm dating myself. Anyhow, the buyer, she didn't mind. It was light and bright. They were very interested in how open it felt. And the funny thing is that the kitchen wasn't open, but it felt light and bright. It was so well maintained. It was clean. The floors were nice, in good condition. They had them refinished. The windows, everything was clean. The windows had been replaced, not recently, but they were very well maintained. So the caulking around the windows was all nice. It was just a very well maintained. And they had service records to boot for the furnace and the central air. So even though things were not new, this buyer had a level of confidence about the house that prompted them to be one of 25 offers. Now, yes, I'm here to tell you that, nope, my buyer did not get it. But the next one they will. So, and what was the other house that they were comparing it to? The other house didn't have the maintenance records, was not as clean, was updated, but it didn't feel, I don't want to say intentional. You know how you can buy the kitchen cabinets from the big box store? You know the ones, come on. You can go to the shelf, you can buy them, and then you quote unquote throw them up. That's literally what the purchaser was saying. It feels like they went to the store and just wanted to update it to say that it was updated. And they just threw these kitchen cabinets up. There were no maintenance records. You know, things did not appear like they were well maintained. The driveway was heaved and cracking. Windows were dirty. There was missing caulking around the bathtub, things like that. So level of confidence for the second house, not as high. Did they write an offer? No. Could they have? Sure, but they didn't choose to. They wanted a little bit dated. I mean, come on. A pink 4x4 tile bathroom. It was the only full bath, and they went with the pink. They chose the house with the pink tile, the black trim. You know the bathroom I mean. Come on now. You've seen it. The pink tile, black trim. And they went with that one. So sometimes updated isn't the only option.